Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're gonna make these candy cane shot glasses with chocolate mousse filling, so keep watching. Now we need to start off with this mold. This is a shot glass mold. It's a silicone mold. I got it on Amazon, it's a Wilton. I'll put a link in the description below. And we also need some candy canes. Now open these up. We're gonna use the long part of the candy cane, and we're just gonna stick it in there into the mold, push it all the way down, and we can see the size we need. Just mark it with my finger. Move the mold out of the way. So right here, just take a knife and there we go. And just cut them all to the same size. When you get them cut down to size, bring back our mold and we're just gonna stick these in. I'm gonna put them upside down to where the jagged end is facing up and just push them all in right next to each other as tightly as possible. It's okay if they're not precisely the right size, as long as they're close. Just make sure they're pushed in nice and tight, and then on the top part we're going to add some smaller ones, the crushed ones. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to do it until all the candy canes have melted into each other and it forms that shot glass shape. All right, it took about 15 minutes for these to melt down completely at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna let them cool completely now. Next, we're gonna make the chocolate mousse that's gonna go inside of our candy cane shot glasses. And to do that, start off with a microwavable dish, put a half a cup of heavy cream in there. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Melt this down 20 seconds at a time, stirring in between until they're completely melted. And when the chocolate is all melted, we're gonna let this sit and cool at room temperature for about 20 minutes. To make the chocolate mousse, we need a large bowl. Add 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Then we're gonna whisk this up on high until it forms stiff peaks. About halfway through, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And you know it's formed stiff peaks when you can hold it over your head and nothing comes out. At this point, you want to save a little bit of this, and we're going to use that to decorate the tops. Now we're going to fold in our melted chocolate to our heavy cream mixture. And just big folds like that. And just keep doing this until it has that nice consistent color. And now you see it's a nice consistent color. Now we're going to carefully remove these from the mold. Next, I put the chocolate mousse into a piping bag just to make it easier to fill up our candy cane shot glasses. You can just scoop it in there if you'd like, but I want to make sure it's perfect. Now we're going to fill up our shot glasses with that chocolate mousse. Now I want the chocolate mousse to be thicker that I can eat with a spoon and not runny like it is right now. So I'm gonna just put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, you can feel that the chocolate mousse has hardened up, and that's perfect. Now we're gonna decorate the top. So I have some of that whipping cream that has firmed up. I'm just gonna squirt on top here. I have a cheese grater and some chocolate. Let's grate a little bit of chocolate on there. Well, now it's time for the taste test. We're gonna dig in to our chocolate mousse filling here. Oh, delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these candy cane shot glasses with this chocolate mousse filling. These were absolutely amazing. I hope you get a chance to make some for yourself. And if you do, please share with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. And you've known chocolate mousse bubble up. We just want to, next we're going to make the candy cane mousse. No.